Welcome guys to gold analysis from 4th to 8th of August. And last week, last Friday, NFP daily candle, we had a bullish closure, impulsive bullish closure. And we did predicted that on the 1 hour time frame. We were expecting a buys from this order block on the 1 hour. And price eventually it tapped and it pushed away from the order block. Although like we had a clean market structure shift right here, price tapped into this OB and then a beautiful push from NFP. Now, what to expect next from gold on the daily time frame? So I'm going to stick to the daily time frame. I'm going to talk about the residing liquidity on the charts. So if you look at the overall price section, we had this buy side liquidity that was taken out and price impulse eventually pushed all the way to the downside to this level. And now with the NFP prices moving up, but overall the trend on the dailies like it's still bearish. And at the same time, we have pending sell side liquidity below this level right here, and we also have pending sell side liquidity below this wick. So as long as this liquidity isn't taken out, like I'm expecting for the price to push back into this range again to take out these sell side liquidities. Now at the same time on the daily time frame, if you look at the daily candles, there's an inverse fair value gap right here. And as you can see, price section is tapping into this inverse fair value gap. And at the same time, there's an inverse fair value gap, which is overlapping between these two gaps right here. One is right here, and the other one is, sorry, this one. Yep. This is the gap between these two daily candles. So I'm expecting the price section to tap into this gap right here, or maybe it can also give some rejections from this overall inverse fair value gap and drop back to the downside. Now, if you will look on the 1 hour time frame, you will see like there's an imbalance left because of the NFP bullish candle right here, right here. So what I'm expecting for the next week, start of the week, short-term analysis, price to give rejection from this inverse fair value gap, wait for confirmations, wait for some 1 hour, 2 hour candle bearish closures from this inverse fair value gap, from this daily gap, and then we can eventually see a retracement back into this imbalance left by the NFP. And yeah, like obviously, if price action breaches this, then it's going to take out the sell side liquidity right here and right here. So this is like analysis for this week. Now, obviously, we know that the daily candle is impulsively bullish. There will be a lot of bullish momentum at the start of the week. So we cannot take blindly sells right from this inverse value gap. We want to see price action going into this and giving rejections from this daily gap and this inverse fair value gap. And maybe there could also be a manipulation, something like this, where price action makes a range, manipulates to the upside to trap the retailers, and then eventually push all the way back down into this inverse fair value gap. So this is the analysis on daily time frame for the next week. And next Friday, I'll be coming back to this YouTube video and see like how this analysis plays out. Till then, take care and enjoy trading.